Welcome back to MainStation. Today we got some quite nice things happening. Man, I just love downtrends, I can tell you. Why? Well, we can compare this real quick. In an uptrend, well, what's happening? Well, we're going up. Correction, up, correction, up, correction, up. And like it's always the same. We're going up. I mean, if you want to enter a position, go ahead. Why not? It would be very lucrative, but well, in my opinion, it's quite boring. So anyway, so we have a very nice move today on the S&P 500 and in general on the Dow Jones and so forth in the US markets. So expected? Well, I don't know. As I told you, I don't like this trading range very much. We now could see this as a confirmed law, whatever. Expanding channel. It's like an ascending triangle, just backwards. So what this means? Well, I don't really know. I don't really like expanding wedges anyway. So you can say like this could very well break bullish, since ascending triangles are bullish, and even if they are reversed, they are still bullish. If that's valid or not, I will leave that to you to decide. But anyway, if you go to the 5-minute time frame, we've seen this nice bull move and are now seeing consolidation on previous resistance. So this is interesting. This could very well turn out to be a little bit of a bull flag, and we could start going beyond our resistance and maybe start reaching my price target around 260 in next week. So of course we could also, or we most likely see a little at least short resistance around 253. God damn it. So that's also open too. Yeah, that's the S&P 500. Just a quick update. You see on the Dow Jones also some nice movements. Pretty much, if we compare these patterns, yeah, very similar. You have like this double bottom, and it's now a W formation, and W formations are usually bullish, since they are indicating double bottoms, and M formations are usually bearish. Like M is like that, and a W would be like this, as you see right here, like that. So just delete these real quick. Yeah. So we have a W formation on the S&P. We have also a W formation. So bullish indication. We could, or in my opinion, the most likely scenario is now a little bit of consolidation. We still have much more time to go today. Fridays are usually heavily traded, so a high likelihood for this to, if it's not breaking tomorrow, to break on Monday, this resistance, since price has been now multiple times hitting it, and well, we could see it drop again, maybe create a triple top, which would be then quite bearish. But even if it comes down, then we will most likely look at 244, and I think this what do you call it, downward, this channel line on the bottom of this expanding wedge is not going to hold anymore, and we'll see most likely being broken if we move to the downside, which I think in my opinion is not the most likelihood in the short term on the S&P 500. So yeah, if we look at Apple, I've talked about it in my last video. So I don't know why you would enter a trade right here. So I didn't either. You see, my position I had right here just got not filled, or what do you call it? Ignored, deleted, whatever. I will enter again if we see downside. We are now hitting the 12th hourly. So, and you see they have been very nice resistance in the past. And if we moved above them, then we had also nice bull crosses of the 12th and the 26th. So the 12th is by the way the blue one, and the 26th is the red one. So even if we move beyond the 12th, I don't know if we see any further upside on Apple. Maybe we will. You know, as I told you in my latest video on Apple, that we are now seeing more and more bearish news coming out, and this can be an indication that we might see some sort of bottom in the near future. And also this island formation, which would be very nice if we create this on the daily. Maybe have like 3 days or something like that, and see then a very big candle. Or if we just have 2 days today, and maybe on Monday next week we see a big move to the upside, this would be also interesting. But I'd rather see it close, or I'd rather see another few candles on the bottom, and maybe sometime in the mid next week a move to the upside also, because we would then have a weekly close, or another week close right here. And yeah, because on the weekly you see we don't have a gap, and since we broke midweek and not between weeks to the downside. So I won't enter anything. I will only enter if we break new lows. And some people just say like you should buy bottoms and sell tops. Well, yes, some sort, yes, but also and I got this actually from Tone Vase, so I would advise you to check him out on YouTube at least. That if we and I can show you this on Bitcoin. If you look at it on Bitcoin, then why would you buy the bottom right here if the most likelihood? Yeah, we've seen a big big bear market, and a nice price decrease. So it would be more clear if we see a move to the downside by breaking 6,000 than to see a move to the upside, because we have just so many resistance points right here. Like it's not very clear, or it's not definite if that we break above this high in the near future, even if we broke like that high around 9,000. So, but it's very clear that if we break 6,000 about, that we most likely move very far beyond our level. Then if we broke some sort of resistance right here, also if we create a new yearly low, or a new all-time low, or a new all-time high, or near a new all-time high. For example, also on Bitcoin, if you're like here and we are near an all-time high, why would you sell? Yes, we could create a double bottom, or a double top, and then see further downside. But if you just stay on the sidelines and wait, and see then a blue sky breakout. Blue sky breakouts are just very easy very easy to trade, and you usually see very nice continuation to the upside. So breaking of all year or all time lows and highs to the direction of the trend is much more easier than to buy right here or to sell right here. So you would more likely, or it would better if you buy right here, and if you like sell right here. Yeah, if you hold, you won't make much money. But if you see here, if you buy right here around 1,200, and if you sell right here around 6,000, you're very, very nice in profit. So, well, this is just a little rambling around buying and selling positions. So, do we have anything else? Well, I'm going to make a short video on Bitcoin also. I won't include this right now in this video. So, yeah, I think that's it actually. Not really much. If you want me to look like at Amazon. Then yeah, we've seen a very nice bounce since the bottom, but on the hourly also a very nice uptrend. And we are now coming close to resistance, hitting the 201 hour moving average, or the 200 hour moving average, and maybe see some sort of rejection from it, but that's going to be determined in the future. The S&P 500 now has set a little higher low on the 5 minute, and might see some sort of continuation. That would be actually nice. If we break this resistance today, I would most likely look at around 253. So yeah, I don't think that, and that's actually, that would be a big move for one day. I mean, very possible, but this would be another 1%. No, that's actually quite likely. It's not. This would be like 3.5%. Very possible. We could see some sort of rejection then on the next week, but going like another 3.5% and making a 6% move, even seeing a bigger move than this right here, would be a bit more extended, a bit more drastic in my opinion. So, well, that's it. Hope you have a nice weekend. I hope I get some videos out for you guys and girls. Maybe hit me up, whatever. Yeah. See you guys next time. Bye.